Rivian Automotive Inc. is halting plans to build a new multi-billion-dollar factory in Georgia, an abrupt reversal aimed at cutting costs while the company prepares to launch a cheaper electric vehicle. The decision will save the automaker more than $2.25 billion in capital expenditures, the company said in a filing Thursday. Shifting planned production of the forthcoming R2 model to an existing facility in Illinois will allow Rivian to begin deliveries in the first half of 2026, earlier than expected. The surprise announcement plunges the high-profile factory project into uncertainty, but Chief Executive Officer R.J. Scaringe said it remains important to the company. Shares of the automaker jumped as much as 16% after the announcement, their biggest gain since July. The stock was already down more than 50% this year through Wednesday on concerns over Rivian's cash and consumer demand for its products. Rivian in 2022 secured a $1.5 billion package of state and local incentives, the biggest in Georgia's history, to build the massive plant outside Atlanta. The company pledged at the time to create 7,500 jobs by the end of 2028, winning praise from local lawmakers. The retreat comes 2 weeks after Rivian announced job cuts and said it would keep production flat this year, falling well short of expectations and triggering a heavy sell-off in the shares. The company has struggled to transition to mass production since going public in 2021, and the high prices of its models have been a hard sell as overall demand for EVs fades. Rivian has never made a profit and it lost more than $40,000 on every vehicle it delivered in last 3 months of 2023. Also on Thursday, Scaringe unveiled the long-anticipated R2, a mid-sized electric sport utility vehicle that will start at around $45,000. That's about $30,000 less than Rivian's existing SUV and just under the U.S. average new car sticker price of more than $48,000. The two-row SUV will be available in 2 battery pack sizes, with the larger option offering a range of more than 300 miles on a single charge. Customers can choose from 1, 2 or 3 motor variants of the SUV. Rivian's also giving the vehicle more advanced autonomous technology with a sensor suite made up of 11 cameras and 5 radars. Read more. Elon Musk says Rivian needs to cut costs massively, and its execs should live in the factory for the struggling Tesla rival to surviveRivian, one of the few pure-play EV makers manufacturing in America, is trying to grab market share from Tesla Inc. with the new model, its first aimed at the mass market. The effort highlights a push by automakers to bring down costs in an environment of slowing demand for EVs, with manufacturers from Tesla to Ford Motor Company to China's BYD company cutting prices. Scaringe also surprised investors with a prototype of a future crossover EV called R3.